Discover Cat Ba, the green gem of the Gulf of Tonkin. If you are looking for a destination with blue sea, white sand, majestic mountains, and fresh air, Cat Ba, Phong, is the perfect choice. Recognized by UNESCO as a World Biosphere Reserve, Cat Ba attracts visitors with its pristine beauty and diverse travel experiences. Highlight check-in spots in Cat Ba, Lan Ha Bay, the forgotten paradise with hundreds of large and small islands amid jade green waters. Catco beaches, 123, ideal for swimming and taking stunning photos. Then Kong Fortress, a panoramic view perfect for watching sunrise and sunset. Cat Ba National Park, explore the primary forest, go on adventurous trekking, and encounter the rare white-headed langur. Must-try cuisine, geoduck, grouper, sea cucumber, mantis shrimp, grilled sun-dried squid. Seafood prices at coastal restaurants range from 50,000 VND to 300,000 VND per serving. Definitely worth experiencing. Reference service prices, Lan Ha Bay entrance ticket, 80,000 VND person, one-day boat tour to explore the bay, 400,000 VND, 700,000 VND per person motorbike rental to explore the island, 100,000 VND, 150,000 VND day. What are you waiting for? Cat Ba is calling you to explore today.